Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'll be opening another fidget spinner, so let's open this guy up. Get it from here. Open this up to see. Alright, fidget spinner work class. See, how do we open this thing up? Go onto it there, and there we go. Let's put it out. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it is just an ordinary fidget spinner. It's a bit heavier. Feels very different to normal fidget spinners. I think these are not bearings. On the sides, they are weights, I believe. Yeah, they're weights. Feels very, very different to my other unboxing that I did, which was the metallic rainbow jet fuel fidget spinner. If you haven't seen that one, go check that out. Awesome. So, like usual, let's time this thing and see roughly how long it goes for. So, 3, 2, 1... I don't think this one's going to go as long as the other one. Nowhere near as going to go as long as the last one. Yeah. Oh, it's just about, yeah, it's been for 34 seconds. So this is really not that good, this one. So, it's better than nothing. Still works pretty well. Overall, I'll give this about 4 out of 10, 4, 5, 6, sort of. It's okay, I guess. Yeah, it's alright. So, I wouldn't recommend this one over the other fidget spinner. This one, of course, is a lot cheaper, of course. So, if you're looking for cheap ones, I'd recommend this one, not that fast. If you're looking for long spin time, good looking, go for the other one. This one, overall, not that good. Packaging came in this box, side of this, just duct tape. So, yeah, it's okay, I guess. So, yeah, as always, if you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.